Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this tablet. Now you can see that the tablet I have right here is locked, and I can unlock it using either the previously set up pattern or using the Google account instead. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we can just bypass this by number one, connecting to Wi-Fi here. So just sign into some kind of network, and you can already see I have already done so. And once you have connected, go back to the first page, select Vision Settings, TalkBack, and then enable the Use TalkBack.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack.
I do want to make it a little bit quieter just because it is a little bit distracting to me. So from here, you can mute it yourself, or well, you can't really mute it, you can just lower it, or you can just keep it as it is, it doesn't really matter. But once you see this page right over here, you want it to draw a mirrored L on the screen, so like this. Now you can do it obviously with the pen or the finger, it doesn't really matter. But from here, you'll see that you have this green outline. As long as the TalkBack is enabled, you first need to select an option, as you can see, and then you need to double tap on it to confirm it. So here we go. So from here you want to select Use Voice Commands, just tap on it once right now. And I'll quickly go into what you need to say, because this is going to be a little bit time sensitive. And once I do explain what you need to say, I'll also do it myself, obviously, so you can kind of see it as I go. So once you double tap on this, you will most likely hear a beep. That beep will signify that the device is now listening to you, and you want to say Open Google Assistant. Once Google Assistant opens, I believe you hear another beep that basically just gives you some kind of auditory information that what you said has been accepted, and then you'll see the Google little page or pop-up right here, and you will most likely hear another beep that Google is now listening to. Once that happens, you want to follow up with saying Open YouTube. So I'm gonna do that right now. Open Google Assistant. Okay, that didn't work. Open YouTube. Now, I think I just lost a couple of brain cells here, because when I said Open Google Assistant, it said that it can't recognize the command, and yet it still opened up the actual Google Assistant anyway. Okay, I guess it works anyway. So anyway, from here, we want to pause the TalkBack, so we do so by holding volume up and volume down at the same time. Select Turn On, and then hold them again, and this will then turn off TalkBack. So from here you want to click on the account icon, select Settings, scroll down and select About, and then choose Google Privacy Policy. This will open up Chrome, so select Accept and Continue, and No Thanks. And right at the top, right here, once you tap on it, you can then type HardReset.Info/bypass. Now I'll write it down myself, so if you need a moment to copy it once you see it, you can just pause the video. Okay, there we go. So now would be the time to pause. From here, in a second, you'll see a pop-up. There we go. Just select Consent and scroll down to Settings. Now, once you're in the settings, you want to scroll down again to, there we go, Apps, right over here. Select View all 45 apps. Tap on it 3 dots, which are barely visible behind this stupid sticker. There we go. And you want to select show system. From here, select Android setup, choose force stop, and OK. Go back once. Okay, so we're going to now scroll down to Google Play Services. Let's checking if there is another setup, Android setup. If you see another Android setup for some reason, do select that one as well and select force stop and disable app as well. So let's just scroll down now to Google Play Services. There we go. Google Play Services. Select disable. Disable app. Force stop. And OK. Now, because we have just disabled Play Services, I recommend turning down all the volumes right here. So, and there we go. The reason for that is it's going to start spamming that annoying notifications that it can't access Google Play Services, which is what we want. So we don't really care about that. But it is really freaking annoying. So anyway, from here, we're just gonna spam back button. And as you probably just seen, we literally backed out all the way, and instead of seeing the language selection page, which talkback option was located at, or vision settings more precisely, we have now some privacy policy and terms of service. So select I agree. Here select skip, and home screen, there we go. So anyway, once you see the home screen, the process is still not finished, so kind of want to say that right up front before you go clicking off. So from here you want to go to the settings application, scroll all the way down to system, and then select reset, factory data reset, and reset device, and then select again reset device. Now the reason you want to do this is by selecting factory reset from settings. Once the device is set up, this removes all the protection from the phone. That will include the previously utilized pattern in my case, and also the Google account, which is still present on this device right now. So once I press on this button, it will perform a factory reset of it, removing basically all the protections, and we'll be back in the setup screen. But from there you can set up your tablet however you want. It's fully unlocked, so you can do whatever you want. Now I'm not going to go over this on the video, just so I can save a little bit of time, and also it literally shows nothing extra. It's a simple setup screen along with a factory reset, which is fully automated. You don't get to do anything throughout of it. So yeah, that's it. So press that button to finish up the process, and then just press setup of your tablet. And with that being said, this is how you can bypass the Google verification on this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.